Many people find rough stones and wonder, is this a real diamond or just a fake crystal? While professional testing is always the most accurate, there are simple home tests that can help you distinguish a real rough diamond from a fake one. Here are two easy and effective methods you can try at home. 1. The water test, density test. This is one of the simplest and safest ways to test a rough diamond. How to do it. 1. Fill a clear glass with clean water. 2. Carefully drop the rough stone into the glass. 3. Observe what happens. Results. Real rough diamond sinks quickly to the bottom. Fake diamond or quartz may float, sink slowly, or stay suspended. Why this works. Diamonds have a high density, which makes them heavier than most fake stones of the same size. Note, some heavy minerals can also sink, so this test should not be used alone. 2. The scratch test, hardness test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth, ranking 10 on the Mohs hardness scale. How to do it. 1. Take a piece of glass or a ceramic tile. 2. Gently scratch the surface with the rough stone. 3. Check the results. Real rough diamond leaves a clear scratch on glass. Fake stone does not scratch the surface or gets damaged itself. Important warning, this test can damage fake stones. Avoid using it on cut or polished diamonds. Final tip. If your rough stone passes both tests, it may be a real diamond, but these methods are not 100% conclusive. For confirmation, always consult a professional gemologist or use advanced tools like thermal conductivity testers. Conclusion. Testing a rough diamond at home is easy and exciting. With just water and a glass surface, you can get a good first idea of whether your stone is real or fake before taking it to an expert.